Hello class, today we are going to talk about savings and setting goals. What I'm going to talk you through is just a couple of slides on calculating savings over time. So we're going to start on slide 4. On slide 4, you may know these answers, but we're going to talk through them because they're stepping stones to the rest of this flip chart. So time measurements. Do you know how many weeks there are in a year? Yes, there are 52 weeks in a year. Oops, 52. How many months in a year? 12. Good. How many days in a month? It varies, right, between 28 and 31. So we're just going to say 30 here. And how many days in a week? That's 7. Will you please go to slide number 6 with me? If you're at home on your own, you can do slide 5, but do 6 with me first. On slide 6, we have a question regarding a student named Jaden. Jaden wants to save up for a new car. He is hoping to be able to purchase a car in 4 years. His family agreed to help him out. If Jaden can contribute $3,000 to the down payment on his car. So if he can come up with $3,000, they will help him pay the rest. What we're going to do is calculate how much money per year, per month, per week. So when we go to the table, we are going to be working across here. So we're going to start with our years. Notice Ms. Hoffman and Mr. Benson used some top teacher behavior and set up a formula for you. And then there's some things that you're going to need to fill in. The answer here is going to end up being your answer there. This is the number answer, and here we put it in sentence form to help you relate it to real life, today's situations. So here's the formula. If he's going to save for 4 years, we're going to take the number 4 times, we're going to take 4 years, so it's going to be 4t. So 4 and the amount of time. Here the t is years. So I'm looking at right here. And 3,000 is our end result. So we are going to work backwards. As you notice, there's a reminder up here that you're going to do the opposite. We are going to do the OPP and solve for the amount of time. How much per year? So let's do some math right here. So I'm going to take 4t, and you can do this on paper. You can type it here. I just want to show you what it looks like. 4t, or 4 years, equals $3,000. We want to find out how much per year, so we're going to look at 4 and t. They are tight together. We say tight means times, so we're going to do the OPP. That means we need to divide. So we're going to move the 4 to the other side. Divide both sides by 4. So I'm going to take then in my calculator, and I need you to use your calculators too. And I'm going to do the top number divided by the bottom number. This cancels. T equals, I got $750, which means that Jaden needs to spend $750 per year. So I'm going to go over now to the far right column, and it says Jaden needs to save blank per year. That's each year, every year, for 4 years. That answer is $750. I'm going to erase this stuff, so make sure you type that down, and then we're going to do the calculation on the next part. Now we're going to look at the number of months. Remember that there's 12 months per year. So if he's saving for 4 years times 12 months per year, we need to take 4 times 12. What's 4 times 12? If you don't know, use your calculator. Oh, right, it's right here. 4 times 12 is 48. So now we're going to calculate how much he needs to save per month by dividing both sides by 48. I'm going to show the work here. So Jaden's going to save $48. I'm sorry, he's going to save, well, that's a bad 8. He's going to save for 48 months. So that's 48t. And I need to do the OPP. Since the 48 is tight with the t, I need to divide both sides by 48. Let's do that. Divide by 48. Those cancel. Divide $3,000 by 48 months. Did you do it? Don't wait for me. I need you to do it in your calculator. I got an answer in my calculator of 62.5. 62.5. I'm not sure what that is. Unless we're doing dollars and cents, we don't want to end it in a 0.5. It needs to be 0.50. So would you please, in this box, type $62 and 50 cents. Jaden needs to save how much per month? Every month. For 4 years? $62.50. So also put that here. You can stretch out that box if you need to. Next question. Weeks. We're going to take 4 years times the number of weeks. There's 52 weeks in a year. So you need to take 4 times 52 to figure out what the t side is. Look, the box is blank this time, so you're going to have to do it on your calculator. As we continue on here, we have 4 years and we're saving for 52 weeks each year. So how many total weeks is that? We need to know the number of total weeks so we can divide our $3,000 to see how much we need to save per week. So I'm going to take 4, which is up here, I put it down here, and 52, which I got from over here because there's 52 weeks in a year. I need you to put 4 times 52 in your calculator and put that answer. You can keep that answer in your head. We're going to type that answer up here. 4 times 52. I got 208 weeks. So I'm going to put that answer on top. Let me delete these. 208. And then I'm going to put a T behind it because that's the amount of time. So 208 T. If you don't have a T, add it. Then we go down here